2 more weeks have passed, and look at how these uh, vines are following the trellis. This is a follow-up video of a previous video in which I grew these plants from seeds. If you have not seen that video, I am going to post the link in the description. You can check it out. So our bean vines are growing really well. They have been climbing up the trellis, and I've been watering it every day because the sun has been really hot and they need full sun. And now I see some buds forming. So this is exciting that we planted the seeds probably 7 to 8 weeks ago, and now I can see the buds forming. So very soon we'll have some beans. Wow, these flowers look so pretty. Even if it doesn't produce the beans, just having this in your garden, it looks so pretty. So purple hyacinth beans need 4 things. First of all, the soil should be rich, start with good compost or manure. Second, plant them where you get a lot of sun, because otherwise they will get good foliage but no beans or very little beans. Third thing, you need to water it very often because they'll be standing tall in the sun. And fourth, you need a trellis because they like to hold on to something. If you just leave them down on the ground, they may not grow that well. The plants are looking so beautiful. I don't care if they get the beans, although I see the beans also. But they look so pretty. And I have put another trellis here, which is like really nice, a simple trellis. It's say about 10 feet long, and it goes on one side and then on the other side. And look at this, the bean plants are wrapping around it. So really happy with this hyacinth beans. They look beautiful. I can see beautiful beans. So if you look at these, they are ready. So I can pick them up. And if you wait for too long, the seeds inside, they will swell up and you can see. And then they'll not be that tender in cooking. So you don't want to wait for too long. Towards the end of the season, when you start to see slowdown in beans production, you can leave some of the bean pods on the vine so that they become right there and the seeds form, and when they are almost dry, you can pick them and save the seeds for the next season. You don't need to go out and buy the seeds next year again. So now our plants are loaded with beans, you can see all over. I just picked these, and I'm pretty sure I can pick more, but these are sufficient for me for one meal. And I can pick some more tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So I'll just keep picking and keep making them. So it's pretty straightforward. If you plant the seeds where you want to grow them, and just make sure that the soil is rich and it gets a lot of sun and a lot of water, and do mulching because the sun dehydrates the soil. So you want to do mulching so you don't have to water like every day, and have a trellis where they can climb. That's important. And then just enjoy the beautiful flowers and the beautiful beans and cook them as you like. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.